To celebrate St Patrick's Day, we're taking a look at a distinctive aircraft from the Irish Air Corps fleet, the de Havilland Chipmunk. By the early 1950s, the Chipmunk had become one of the leading basic trainer aircraft in the world. It was forgiving enough for new pilots to learn safely, but still demanded skill to fly well. With its reliability and straightforward maintenance, it was the perfect choice when the Irish Air Corps began modernising and expanding its flying training programme. In January 1952, the Irish Air Corps received their first 6 Chipmunk T.20 trainers, delivered directly from the de Havilland factory in Chester. During the Second World War, the Irish Air Corps had flown a mix of British aircraft, including the Avro Anson, Westland Lysander, Supermarine Walrus, Gloucester Gladiator and the formidable Hawker Hurricane. Although these aircraft were never required to engage enemy aircraft over Irish territory, they did occasionally have to shoot down stray barrage balloons that had broken free and drifted into Irish airspace. After the war, new aircraft such as the Supermarine Seafire and the 2-seat Supermarine Spitfire T9 joined the fleet, creating the need for a modern training aircraft to prepare pilots for these more capable machines. Between 1952 and 1973, the Irish Air Corps operated 14 Chipmunks. They trained generations of military pilots and also played an important role preparing future pilots for Aer Lingus. Despite the Chipmunk's forgiving reputation, operations were not without incident and 6 aircraft were lost in accidents. Even so, the type became a cornerstone of Irish military aviation, helping build the foundations of a modern training system and inspire many young people to pursue careers in aviation. Eventually the Chipmunk was replaced by the Marchetti SF-260, with the last examples leaving service by 1980. Today the aircraft legacy lives on thanks to the Irish Historic Flight Foundation, which operates 3 beautifully restored and airworthy Chipmunks painted in classic Irish Air Corps colours. These aircraft, numbered 168, 169 and 170, celebrate their service heritage and keep this elegant trainer flying for new generations to see. It was originally built as a Chipmunk T20 at Chester and delivered straight to the Irish Air Corps. After retirement it fell into disrepair, but was later painstakingly restored by Vintage Fabrics at Audley End, returning the aircraft to airworthy condition as the centrepiece of the Irish historic flight. The result is one of the most striking Chipmunks flying today, wearing the bold and unmistakable colours of the Irish Air Corps. It's a scheme that celebrates Irish aviation heritage and one that certainly stands out on any model display shelf.